are going to love the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.